Welcome to One Question at a Time, the SAT series. Question number 13. A bag contains 28 pounds of sugar, which is to be separated into packages containing 14 ounces each. How many such packages can be made? So the keywords right here is 1 pound, is equal 16 ounces. So we have 28 pounds total. That will convert to 28 times 16 ounces. Now we come back to our questions. We have 28 pounds and we want to repackage it into 14 ounces each. So we will have 28 times 16 divided by 14 to get the number of packages. To make it easy, we'll divide the 28 into 2 times 14 times 16 over 14. And we can cancel this 14. We're left with 2 times 16. When you cancellate the top and the bottom will left with 1 because 1 times that. So 2 times 16 divided by 1 is 2 times 16. That makes 32. So from 28 pounds of sugar bag, we can separate it into 32 14 ounces package. The logic in this question is we have to convert the pound, the unit, in only one unit, the same unit. The second thing is we avoid to working with the big number by breaking those number into smaller number and then cancel those to make it easy and fast to calculate. The number one mistake in this question is whenever you see the 28, you divide by 14 and then you got it's like 2. But the thing is it's different units, so it will be difference. The 28 on the top is the unit is pounds and at the bottom is ounce, so you cannot cancel out that. That made it drop. Thank you for participating in this series. See you next time.